Hello, this is Arnold from Steelmama. Today we will test the 3 machines for Ghana client. The first machine is corrugated machine. We use 1200 coil width. We get 988 effective covered width. And we use 16 stations rollers to form the shape. The machine is 5.5 kilowatt plus 4 kilowatt. The machine is around 4.5 tons. And the second machine is the Trapezoidal Roofing Sheet Machine. We have 6 ribs. We use 18 stations to form the shape. The machine will be around 5 tons. And the third machine is self-locking machine. This is Ghana very popular design, and this design is double side locking. We use 17 stations to form the shape. Machine is 5.5 kilowatt and 4 kilowatt cutting.